Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering black and white card, scissors, glue, elastic, and a pencil. Lay the black card flat and draw a 10-12-inch oval for the penguin face. This becomes the mask base, so accuracy matters. Once drawn, cut the oval and leave 1-inch tabs at the sides for later attachment. This saves you fiddly gluing later. Next, measure and mark 2 eye holes with a 2-inch circle template, centered horizontally so the wearer sees comfortably. Now you create visual features that make the mask recognizable. Apply a white belly panel to the center. Smooth the edges so it follows the oval contour, because clean joins look professional. Cut a 2.5-inch triangular beak from orange card and fold a 1/2-inch tab so it sits at a slight angle when glued. This gives depth. Once the beak is set, add feather texture with short strokes of paint or marker and place pupils in the eye holes. Finish by securing the elastic to the side tabs, tie a knot and test on the wearer, adjusting with a safety pinned loop if needed so the fit sits snug but not tight. Reinforce all seams with thin card strips and quick-drying glue to prevent tearing during play. Make sure glue dries before handling. Finally, trim any rough edges and test vision and breathing. If alignment is off, slightly recut eye holes and reglue one edge at a time to correct position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.